So, yeah, let's talk about prompt engineering for a second. And I know the term's kind of everywhere right now. You look it up on YouTube and it's chaos. One person's talking about prompt frameworks, another's demoing some voice to text thing, and half the time it's unclear if what they're showing actually works outside of that 10-minute video window. So let's slow it down and make it simple. Prompt engineering, at least the way I see it, is just writing a prompt that gives your AI all the information it needs to actually get the job done. That's it. You're not being clever. You're not gaming the system. You're just setting the AI up to do the task right. Think of it like onboarding a new teammate who can type a million lines a minute but doesn't know a single thing about your project yet. If you don't give them the full picture, they're going to guess. And those guesses are what create all the cleanup later. So, yeah, when it comes to coding agents like Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex, a good prompt usually has a few simple parts. You give the agent a role, who it is in this moment, you give it context, what project it's stepping into, you give it a goal, what you actually want built, then you give it the requirements, and finally, what you want delivered at the end. If you cover those 5 things, you've basically got a rock solid foundation. It's not magic, it's just structure. Here's how I use it in practice. I actually have a dedicated ChatGPT project for every app I build. Inside that, I've written out instructions that tell ChatGPT to act as my project manager. And here's the secret part. In that same instruction file, there's a short section that teaches it how to write prompts for me. So instead of me trying to remember what to tell Claude every time, so when I kick a new chat from the project, I just describe the task to ChatGPT, either by typing or using voice to text, and it builds the prompt for me, ready to go. I always make sure it reminds the agent to keep things simple, no over engineering, no hard coding, no weird experiments. I tell it this isn't a game, it's production code, and the app has to work. It should think before coding, scan the code base, look at docs if it needs to, and stay clear and focused. When I drop that prompt into Claude Code, it feels like I'm working with a teammate who's already been briefed, and honestly, that's what makes prompt engineering so useful. It's not about crafting some poetic one-liner. It's about consistency. Once your prompts have structure, your AI starts producing results that actually fit your workflow instead of fighting against it. So, yeah, every new task starts the same way for me. I explain what I'm doing, ChatGPT builds the prompt, and then I paste it into Claude or Cursor. That one step keeps my workflow fast, predictable, and way less chaotic. Go ahead and grab the zip below. I dropped in a sample of the ChatGPT instruction file I use for the lab. Use it as a base. Tweak it, break it, totally make it yours. Once you've got your own version, you'll spend way less time fixing AI guesses and way more time actually shipping. All right, that's it for this one. Keep crafting, keep refining your prompts, and yeah, let the AI work with you, not around you. Peace.